Hi, I'm Kyle.bargfrede with MarineMax Lake Ozark, and I'm here on the back of the SDX 270 from Sea 2019 model. I'm going to take you through the boat, show you some of the finer things on this beautiful vessel. If you like what you see, make sure you like or leave a comment and a like down in the comment section. And also, if you want to come in and take a look at this boat or get it on the water, our contact information is below also. So as you can come through here, you see we have the gray SeaDek on the swim platform. You got a great sun pad here on the back. Great walkthrough. You can come through here nice and large, get through really easy, just one step down into the boat where we have the snap-in SeaDek. Makes it nice to get in and out of the boat, clean the SeaDek, everything from there. On the back here and to the port side, you have the nice L shape that comes in here. Also to the reversible lounger here. It can be your lounger or turn into a co-captain seat with a flip-up bolster. And then you come to your head, which is nice and spacious with the head, some storage, and the sink. You have the nice sleek helm here with the flat built-in Simrad and Fusion stereo. All this will give you your engine information and all your options through the boat. You also have some nice toggle switches for your nav lights and blower switch. You got the digital throttle and shift from Mercury. And you come through to the front, you have the nice wraparound seating in the bow. In a 27-foot boat, this is one of the best seating arrangements you can have and get the most people in this boat. So you got the flip down armrests on either side, make it nice and comfortable. One great feature this boat has is the windlass anchor. Makes it great and easy to drop down and retrieve without a lot of hassle. No more having to throw it over and bring it up manually. So awesome feature there. This boat is optioned with the water sports tower and Fusion tower speakers, which is a great stereo system, and the tower makes it really fun to wakeboard off of. You can hook to the tow point up here and you are ready to go that way. As you can see, it auto has the bimini, which gives you great shade in the cockpit here. So if you guys want to come and check this boat out or take a ride for it on the water, give us a call at MarineMax Lake Ozarks. Once again, I'm Kyle.bargfrede. Come see me and we can make it happen for you. Thank you very much.